We all love a good apple, but did you know that the way you eat them could be having a negative effect on your health? That's right. This seemingly innocent fruit, celebrated for its crunch and sweetness, holds secrets that could either boost your well-being or lead you down a path of common mistakes that 90% of people unknowingly make. Don't worry though. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of apples. Not just their delicious taste, but the surprising ways you might be consuming them wrong. In fact, it even contains substances in its peel that can help prevent and fight cancer. We're going to look at 8 little mistakes that could be affecting your health every time you take a bite. And I'll let you in on a little secret. Mistake number 4 is so widespread that you'll be amazed if you think you're not guilty of it. But that's not all. We've got 8 incredible benefits of apples that you probably didn't know about, along with expert tips on how to choose, store, and enjoy this powerhouse fruit to its fullest potential. We'll also share some scientific research. So, if you're ready to make some changes to your apple-eating habits and discover the amazing benefits of this incredible fruit, stick around. You won't want to miss what's coming up next, especially when we reveal the one mistake that could change everything for your health. The power of apples. 8 surprising benefits. Before we dive into those mistakes, let's take a moment to appreciate the fantastic health benefits of apples. 8. Improved digestion. Apples are rich in insoluble fibers that help regulate bowel movements, combat constipation, and optimize digestion. Additionally, they contain prebiotics, which nourish healthy gut bacteria, contributing to a balanced microbiome. A healthy gut helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently. 7.
Scientific research underscores the importance of consuming apple peels due to their rich concentration of beneficial compounds. Peeling apples can lead to the loss of these vital nutrients. Nutrient-rich apple peels. Apple peels are abundant in phytochemicals, including phenolic compounds and flavonoids, which possess strong antioxidant properties. A study published in the Nutrition Journal by Boyer and Liu, 2004, highlights that these compounds are predominantly found in the skin of the apple. The antioxidants present in apple peels contribute to reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cardiovascular conditions and certain cancers. Additionally, the dietary fiber in the peel aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Removing the peel diminishes the nutritional value of the apple. To fully benefit from the fruit's health-promoting properties, it's advisable to consume apples with their peels, provided they are thoroughly washed to remove any pesticide residues.
7. Blood sugar control. Apples contain soluble fibers, particularly pectin, which help stabilize blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent choice for diabetics or anyone looking to avoid sharp glucose spikes. Pectin also slows carbohydrate digestion, leading to a gradual energy release and improved insulin sensitivity, key factors in metabolic health. 6. Boosted heart health. The heart loves apples. Their high fiber content aids in lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, which helps prevent artery blockages. Potassium, another nutrient in apples, supports healthy blood pressure levels. Moreover, quercetin, a potent antioxidant found in apples, reduces arterial inflammation, offering protection from heart attacks and strokes. 5. Brain support. Apples are allies for brain health. Their antioxidants, especially quercetin, combat oxidative stress, a major contributor to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Additionally, compounds in apples encourage the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for learning and memory. 4. Sustained energy. Unlike sugary snacks that cause energy crashes, apples provide slow-releasing natural carbohydrates for steady energy throughout the day. Paired with their fiber content, this makes them an ideal pre-workout snack or a pick-me-up during a mid-afternoon slump. Third, cancer risk reduction studies have linked regular apple consumption to reduced risks of certain cancers, like lung, colon, and breast cancer. This is due to their antioxidants, quercetin, vitamin C, and others, combating cell-damaging free radicals. Additionally, apple fibers support colon health by improving toxin elimination. 2. Stronger bones. Apples contribute to maintaining healthy bones. Potassium neutralizes acids that weaken bones, while vitamin K ensures efficient calcium absorption, essential for bone density. These benefits are particularly valuable for older adults and postmenopausal women. 1. Oral health improvement. While not a substitute for brushing, eating apples can help maintain oral hygiene. Their fibrous texture acts as a natural toothbrush, helping remove food particles between meals. Plus, chewing prompts saliva production, which neutralizes acids and reduces cavity risks. 8 mistakes you need to avoid when eating apples. Despite their health benefits, improper consumption of apples can negate their advantages or even pose risks to your health. Avoid the following mistakes. 8. Consuming apples with pesticides. Non-organic apples often contain pesticide residues that may harm your health over time. Always wash your apples thoroughly under running water, using a produce brush or special cleaning solution. Whenever possible, choose organic apples to minimize exposure to harmful chemicals. 7. Overeating apples. Excessive consumption of apples can lead to gas, bloating, and other digestive issues due to their high fiber content. Balance is key. Moderation ensures you reap their benefits without discomfort. 6. Ignoring the danger of apple seeds. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, which can release cyanide in your body. While small amounts are unlikely to pose immediate danger, consuming large amounts of seeds could be harmful. Remove seeds before eating or juicing apples. 5. Not pairing apples with other nutrient-rich foods. Eating apples on their own is fine, but pairing them with healthy fats like almond butter, nuts, or yogurt enhances nutrient absorption and increases satiety. This simple habit can make apples an even more nutritious snack. 4. Peeling apples. The peel of an apple is where most of its fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants are concentrated. By removing it, you lose many of the fruit's health benefits, including those linked to digestion and heart health. Unless you absolutely must, eat apples with their skin intact. Research highlights the remarkable benefits of consuming apples for gut and digestive health. Studies by Koutsos, Tuohy, and Lovegrove in Nutrients reveal that apple's pectin, a type of soluble fiber, acts as a prebiotic, fostering beneficial gut bacteria like Faecalibacterium prausnitzii. This bacterium improves gut barrier function and reduces inflammation. Additionally, Jacobek and Tadic, in Molecules, emphasize that apple polyphenols, including flavonoids, positively influence gut microbiota. They increase beneficial bacteria, reduce harmful ones, and support overall intestinal health. These compounds also combat gut inflammation, helping maintain a strong intestinal barrier. In short, apples are not just a tasty snack. They're a powerful ally for your digestive system. For optimal gut health, don't skip your daily apple. 3. Improper storage. Leaving apples at room temperature for too long can cause spoilage. To keep them fresh and crisp, store apples in the fruit drawer of your refrigerator. This extends their shelf life and maintains their rich flavor. 2. Eating apples past their prime. Eating apples with mold spots or signs of spoilage can be harmful, as they may harbor toxins. Always inspect your fruit before consuming it, and discard any apples showing visible signs of decay. 1. limiting yourself to one variety and ignoring apple allergies. With so many varieties of apples, Granny Smith, Fuji, Gala, and Honeycrisp, among others, you're missing out if you only stick to one. Different varieties offer unique tastes, textures, and nutritional profiles, making it worth exploring all your options. Though relatively rare, some people are allergic to apples. Symptoms range from mild reactions like itching or stomach discomfort to severe cases like anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. If you experience any unusual symptoms after eating apples, consult a healthcare provider. How to choose, store, and enjoy. Apples correctly. To make the most of this superfruit, follow these tips. Choose wisely. Pick apples that are firm with smooth, unblemished skin. Opt for organic varieties to avoid pesticide exposure. Store properly. Keep apples in your refrigerator's fruit drawer to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Store them separately from other fruits, as apples release ethylene gas, which quickens ripening. Maximize benefits. Eat apples with the peel whenever possible to retain most of their nutrients. Get creative. Pair apples with peanut or almond butter for a protein-packed snack. Toss them into salads for added crunch, or bake them with cinnamon for a healthy dessert. You can also blend them into smoothies for a refreshing drink. How many of these mistakes are you guilty of? Did you discover something new today? Let us know in the comments. And if this guide was helpful, type yes below and share it with friends. Apples are undoubtedly among the healthiest fruits, but learning how to consume them properly takes their benefits to the next level. Keep an eye on our channel for next week's feature, where we'll uncover the secrets of another popular superfruit. Can you guess which one it is? Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Hippocrates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take a bite out of those apples. The right way? Health Guide YouTube channel.